Inedit ko ito. Inedit ko ito yung script. May ganun talaga siya. Hindi ko ang aking...
Saan may nabili?
Saan?
Shall we, guys?
Ay, anytime ka pwede mag-live.
Yes, hawak ko yung oras ko.
From ano? Saan mo gusto tayo mag-agaling?
Depart from all the way from Oceanic Ocean.
Saan na? Ay, ano?
Sky Air ba?
Binaliyan.
Ba't hindi ko malilito yan? Ikaw ang hihimik ng Viridian. Viridian.
Kasi, really yung ano natin yun.
Example nga.
Di ba, polish yung ano kasi binagawa yung binagawa nila ng simple. Dapat may lugar tayo sa tayo mag-report. Tsaka nila kasi Thailand din yun ang nila.
Ano tayo sa Singapore?
Hindi ko for.
Hindi pero
You're
yung
already report. Singapore ba? So, ba't
Vietnam.
The commander of this aircraft is Captain Audrey Liana against the first officer Very Gabinan for flying time will be dapat talaga be approximately with an altitude of
Real altitude ako.
ladies and gentlemen, please hear your cabin crew to safety and use of this aircraft.
Sa pasado nga, kaya ano ko lang.
Hindi ko pa to yung talagang hindi ko pa talaga ito yung
Sige,
ito ano.
Naano.
Ladies and gentlemen, please your attention to your cabin crew. We will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided by a seatbelt. The fasten push together.
To fasten, asin, wala ka naman.
Push ends together. Silent seatbelt by fasten. Fasten, lift up of button, quickly and release. In case of water landing, the life vest is about remove shoulder to body. Put on sleep vest overhead. Take tape around the waist. Push and button.